Hello students, let us solve some word problems based on the topic linear equations in two variables. Before this we have studied what is linear equations in two variables. Now there are some word problems which are based on that concept. So in this video let us try to solve them. The next question is complete the following. Here it is one activity given. Firstly there is one rectangle given which denotes I am a rectangle. So this is the rectangle whose opposite sides, that is the lengths, are denoted by two different algebraic expressions, that is 2x plus y plus 8 and 4x minus y. So both of these two represents the length of the rectangle, which are equal because we know that opposite sides of a rectangle are congruent. In the same way, there are the breadths which are again represented by two algebraic expressions, that is x plus 4 and 2y, which must be again congruent. From this one we have to find the values of x and y, which are the two variables involved for this rectangle, and from that one we have to find the perimeter and area of this rectangle. So to solve this we have to use the property of a rectangle, that is opposite sides of a rectangle are congruent. So here in diagram 2x plus y plus 8 and 4x minus y are the opposite sides of a rectangle. So they must be congruent as these are opposite sides of a rectangle. If we solve this equation, we get, if we transfer 2x plus y to the right hand side, we will get 8 is equal to 4x minus y on the right hand side as it is. If we take 2x plus y, it will become minus 2x minus y. 4x minus 2x, that will be 2x, and minus y it will be minus 2y, that is equal to 8. So if we rearrange this, we get 2x minus 2y is equal to 8. Now as we can see here, we can divide this equation by 2. So if we divide it by 2, we get 2x divided by 2, that's x, minus 2y divided by 2, that's y, that is equal to 8 divided by 2, 4. So x minus y is equal to 4. This is equation number 1. And in the same way, we can solve this for the breadth of a rectangle, and the breadths of a rectangle are represented by 2y and x plus 4. So they must be also congruent, that is 2y is equal to x plus 4. If we take x to the left hand side, it will become minus x plus 2y, that is equal to 4. So this is equation number 2. If we compare equation 1 and 2, the coefficients of x are equal and signs are different. That's why we can add these two equations, that is adding equation 1 and 2, we get the first equation is x minus y is equal to 4, we have written here, plus x plus 2y is equal to 4. Now as we are adding these two equations, plus x minus x will get cancelled, and minus y plus 2y, it will be y, that is equal to 4 plus 4, that's 8. So y is equal to 8, this is the value of the first variable. From this we can find the value of the second variable. For that we have to use equation number 1, that is from 1 we have x minus y is equal to 4. So we have written here the value of y is found to be 8. So if we replace y here by 8, we get x minus 8 is equal to 4. If we take minus 8 to the right hand side, it will become plus 8. So x is equal to 4 plus 8, that's 12. So here x is equal to 12 and y is equal to 8. These are the values of the variables which are involved for finding the length and the breadth of a rectangle. That means these are not the length and the breadth, but these are the values of those two variables. So this is the answer of the first question we have found, that is find the values of x and y. So x is equal to 12 and y is equal to 8. These are the two values of those two variables. Now to find the perimeter of a rectangle and area of a rectangle, we must find the length and the breadth of this rectangle. So firstly we should find the length. There are two expressions which represent the length, either 2x plus y plus 8 or 4x minus y. We can use any of these two to find the length of a rectangle. We'll use here length is equal to 4x minus y, and as the value of x and y we have found, we are going to just replace x and y by these values. It is 4 into x, that is 4 into 12, minus value of y is 8, so y is replaced here by 8. 12 into 4, that's 48, minus 8 as it is. 48 minus 8, that's 40 units. So this is the length of the rectangle. In the same way, we can find the breadth of a rectangle. So for that, either we can use breadth is equal to 2y or breadth is equal to x plus 4. Here we have used breadth is equal to 2y. Y is 8. So we'll replace y by 8 here. So 2 into 8, that's 16 units. So the length is 40 units and the breadth is 16 units. Now by using these, we can find its perimeter. So we use the formula for perimeter of rectangle as perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into bracket length plus breadth. 2 into bracket length is 40 plus breadth is 16 units. 40 plus 60, that's 56. 56 into 2, 112 units. So this is the perimeter of the rectangle given. In the same way, we can find the area of a rectangle. For that, we have to use the formula for area of a rectangle, that is equal to length into breadth, and the length is 40 into breadth is 60. So 40 into 60, that's 640 square units. So this is the area of the rectangle. So this is the answer of the third question, that is to find the perimeter of a given rectangle and its